Thank you very much, Kelly Bo. It's time now to take a look at the latest in sports. And we begin with Baseball 5. Kenya's national Baseball 5 youth team, the Kenya Falcons, got off to a mixed start at the 2025 Youth Baseball 5 World Cup in Nayarit, Mexico. Kenya lost the first match to Cuba before the boys defeated South Korea in the second game.
Okay, the first game with Cuba, it was not that hard and not that easy because they had a very good advantage because they had at least their shoes were nice for the game, but us, we had a disadvantage because our shoes were really slippery on the floor. So I can't just say it was easy or it was tough. But the second game, we recovered very well. We played against Korea, which was fun because we managed to at least find a way on how to manage our shoes, and finally we beat Korea 2-0. We are very happy, and it's a very good experience because at least we have won one game. We have one more to go tomorrow with Spain, which we wish that we will be, at least we'll be okay, and we played our best. Yeah. Okay. Korea's game, it gives us like, because after we lost our first game, it was so, some people were down, some people were low, but after we have won the Korean game, it's some people just come up, they psych themselves, and we'll be back on our stand, and we'll do our best. So we have courage that if we have beaten Korea, even Spain will beat them, and we'll head ourselves to the finals. Yeah.
Kwa kuzingatia game ya asubuhi tulikuwa chini kidogo, uwanja haikuwa vizuri, lakini ikakuja ikatengenezwa baadaye. Hiyo game ya pili ilikuwa sawa, na tumewaonyesha ya kwamba hatukupoteza hiyo game ya kwanza kwa matarajio yetu, ila tulipoteza kwa sababu ya uwanja kutokuwa vizuri.
Mechi ya leo dhidi ya Korea inawapasa gani ahead of game ya kesho dhidi ya Spain?
Game yetu na Korea.
Well, Kenya will be playing Spain today at 9 p.m. We'll be